Okay, so continuing with the Hong Kong theme, I got a waffle maker. And today I wanted to show you a recipe that is better than bubble waffles. It is better than fried French toast, and that is the Hong Kong waffle. This is one where when I was living in Hong Kong, because like everywhere had a couple of stalls. So you would go around and you would say like, okay, who has the best waffle? Who makes the best? Who has like the best texture? And how that works, because that was really what it was all about. Hong Kong waffles are basically, the batter is a sweetened kind of egg batter that we will try to recreate vegan style. And it is kind of a very similar taste to bubble waffles in that it is a sweeter type of waffle mix. And then what they do is you start off with some butter, so that's melted into like the first layer of goodness on the inside. Then you have peanut butter, then you have condensed milk, and then they top it off with some, I think it's like more like kind of crunchy type sugar, although it might have just been granulated, I don't know, so that it's crunchy. It's sweet, it has peanut butter, it has the butter, it's so super indulgent, but so good. So I thought, yeah, why not start the waffle maker off to a great start and do some Chinese Hong Kong waffles with you all. So I hope you all enjoy. So this batter is very similar to the original egg waffle batter recipe. I kept everything, pretty much at the same, short of adding a little bit of black salt for that extra eggy flavor. It is a sweet batter as well, but it is one of those light kind of cakier batters because even in the original recipe, it calls for mixing in some tapioca starch with some all-purpose flour. So this liquid bit of the mixture that had a little bit of soy milk in it as well as a little bit of vegetable oil, and that just kept everything nice and light, kept the gluten nice and divided. We had a little bit of vanilla, and you just mix everything together until it's smooth. So from what I can understand about waffle makers, and I've made this recipe actually quite a few times now, is you almost have to overfill it to get that like nice thick waffle. And so for this particular machine, I had it at about a little bit over the medium mark, and it took right around 12 minutes to get it nice and this kind of like golden brown color, but it's going to differ with every waffle maker, and so you're just going to have to kind of find the one that you like. I will say that I think for me, Hong Kong waffles are a bit on the crunchier side. The outside is a bit crunchier, which is nicer, but if you like it softer, that's your preference, so make it according to what you like.
It is definitely not your average health recipe, and you should probably be eating these guys maybe once every 3 months. But I promise you, when you eat it, it's gonna be so, so good. So I hope you all enjoyed what you were watching, and definitely feel free to head over to the page's Patreon to support it that way, and also on my Instagram for up and coming recipes.